So you know unemployment isn't going to last forever. So let's talk about the companies that are hiring right now and how you can grow your network virtually so that you're the first pick at a job. So this coronavirus pandemic has caused people to lose jobs, but it actually has been good for certain industries. And so these are the companies that are currently hiring for positions and what you need to know about how to get in there. And so right now during the pandemic, we're in quarantine and it's kind of hard to grow your network and find out who's hiring. But I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn to grow your network and figure out who's hiring and be the first one to apply, or have someone actually recommend you for the job because you've grown your network and now you're a part of their network. I'm going to drop a link in the description box that tells you of some of the companies that are hiring and kind of how many jobs they have available for those particular positions. But let's talk a little bit about how I found out about those jobs and how I know who may work for these jobs or know someone who can refer you to those jobs. So LinkedIn is a social networking platform and it's geared towards professionals. And it's recently become more popular because people are using virtual connections right now during the quarantine. And so I want to make sure that you know how to use LinkedIn to your advantage and grow your network. In the last, I want to say 90 days, my views, people who have actually looked at my page and grown my connections have grown 450%. 450%. I've been very busy on LinkedIn and I'm not even currently looking for a job. But I know that you don't want to wait till you're in a position to be looking for a job to start growing your network. When you first start LinkedIn, they prompt you to connect with your current contacts, either in your emails or your phone contacts. And what they do is say, okay, these people have LinkedIn pages. Do you want to connect with them? So that's the first start of how you will grow your connections. And it grows exponentially from there. And so you start with the people that you already know, and then they know somebody else that might be in an industry that you know. You try to connect with them and find something similar. Send them a note saying, hey, I see that you're also interested in this industry. Would you mind connecting with me? And then as the days go by, you check your feed and see what people are talking about. What you do is engage with people. You put thoughtful comments on people's pages. They wonder who's made this thoughtful comment. They go back to your page and decide they want to connect with you. I've connected with people I don't even know, but based off of me commenting on somebody's page that I do know, they're saying, oh, who is this person? And I end up connecting with them and find out they're also connected with someone else that I knew in the future. So I would say that this is, it's hard work. Like you have to be on there every day saying, okay, what are people talking about? What is of interest to me? Oh, this might be of interest to me or someone else I know. Resharing other people's posts so that other people in their network can see you as well. It's basically you have to make this a job for you if you want to grow your network. And growing your network means that when something comes up in the future, you can go through your contacts and say, I connected with somebody who was in that industry. Let me reach out to them. Or you can say, oh, I'm applying for a job at this particular place and I think I connected with someone that works there. Let me see if they can give me some tips on how to get a job there. So comment below if you have any other tips of what you do on LinkedIn and how you grow your particular connections. Especially during this quarantine, virtual networking is very important. Now, previous to this, I might have gone to some meetups or I might have gone to events where I've met people. But right now, you have to get creative. I know the CARES Act has made unemployment benefits appealing to certain groups of people. You get an extra $600 a week. I believe it expires in July, but they are talking about expanding it past July. But at the end of the day, unemployment will run out. And you want to make sure you're prepared for a job so that you're not having a gap between unemployment ending and your next bill being due. So be diligent right now while you have the time, while perhaps you do have more benefits available to you. Maximize that time so that you can actually get a job. And also that stimulates the economy as well. If any of you know of any jobs that are currently hiring, any companies that are currently hiring, share it below in the comment section for those job seekers who are actively looking for something. Sharing is caring. It's plenty of jobs for everyone out there. And so go ahead and pay it forward and try to provide some resources for other people as well. I'll try to do the same, but you also have to do your due diligence as well. Hopefully, everyone that wants a job will get a job when they want it.